Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create a partition on Windows 10 and or 11. Now from the desktop side here, you just have to go to the search bar down here, and then you just have to search up this partition, right? You can also open this with a control panel run window if you'd like, but I find this to be easier. Just type on this, create and format hard disk partition, right? Now, from here right now, you can see that there's a couple of partitions we have, right? So volume D, A sub C, this partition 4, and this partition 1. Now, these two partition, the healthy recovery partition and the healthy system partition, do not touch these. These are important partition for systems to work, right? Now, for example, here I have about 476 gigabyte of NTFS partition that I could use for my volume D, right? And if I go to my PC Explorer here, you can see that my partition is about 100 gigabytes free, right? So what I'm going to do on volume D here, I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on shrink volume. Now on shrink volume here, you can see LP querying the shrink space here. Now you can see the total size before the shrink is this, and the size of the available space is this, right? Enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes. So right now I have about 2000 megabytes here, right? And the total size in megabytes is about this. You just have to click on shrink here. Now once you click on shrink, it'll create a new partition, a empty partition on the this. It'll look like this, right? And then once you have that empty partition, you just have to type in create partition and then follow the process on screen. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.